Are your gutters causing more problems than they're solving? Whether they're leaking, sagging, clogged, or just plain worn out, you're in the right place here because fixing gutter problems is exactly what we do. Gutters might not be the most exciting part of your home, but they're one of the more important ones. Properly functioning gutters protect your foundation, your landscaping, and even your roof from water damage. The trouble is, finding a gutter company that's reliable, professional, and hassle-free can actually be the biggest challenge for many homeowners. I'm John, and here at Joyland, we've helped hundreds of homeowners in Lancaster and the surrounding counties replace or repair their gutters with durable, seamless systems that work perfectly and look great. From start to finish, we focus on excellence in every detail. It's why we've earned hundreds of 5-star reviews from homeowners just like you. Here's how the process works. Call us or submit the form here and we'll schedule your inspection as soon as possible. My experts will assess your gutters, recommend the best solutions for your home, and provide a clear upfront quote. And here's the best part. You don't pay a penny until the job is done and you're completely satisfied with our work. And that's my personal guarantee. So call us now or fill out the contact form and let's get started on gutters you can count on to protect your home.